Hey guys, I'm Executive Chef Brooks Cameron with Tyson Food Service here at the Discovery Center today. We're going to be building some plays on the traditional spicy chicken sandwich. The first one we're going to do is using some Caribbean flavors. Earlier we were talking about barriers to putting something new on your menu. This is a great way to do a quick and easy build. Here we've got our Tyson Red Label like breaded filet, so that takes your labor out there, and that's just kind of our base. And now to kind of bring in some other flavor profiles, here I've got a fun kind of, I would say, island slaw. It's just a shredded slaw mix, fire roasted frozen pineapple that you just kind of got to thaw. And then I can very quickly, take those pre-made products, mix them together, add a little mayo, a little sriracha, a little bit of this jerk seasoning, and then, when we go to add that to the sandwich, we're adding a lot more, a different flavor profile. Maybe the customer would have gotten this before and they just would have had the spicy chicken with the pickles, but now we've got a different sort of slaw here. All right, guys, and we're gonna cut this bad boy. And there you go, guys. We have our crispy, hot and spicy jerk chicken sandwich with our island slaw in there. They're really gonna complement each other well. That you've got that spicy underneath, and then inside that slaw you've got a lot of really vibrant flavors. The sweetness from the pineapple, it's really going to tie it together.